What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is another day of getting our plow trucks ready. So right now I have this truck right here warming up. This is a 21, I believe. Let's take a look. This is a 2020 Silverado 6500. It has an Everest hitch on it, set up for a wing plow, which is what we're going to do right now. The wing plow is stored up on the top of the sander there. We put all of our wings up on top, and some of the trucks that have dump bodies on them, we will put the wings and the front plow right in the dump body. But being that this is a sander mounted right on the frame here, we only put the wing up there because obviously with both plows, even with just the front plow, it would be very heavy on top of your sander. So that is what I'm getting myself into. I have our loader over here. I am gonna pull that truck over right now. I got this chain set up. I'm gonna grab the plow off the top, and then I'll pull Rodrigo out and we will throw this wing on real quick and make sure that everything works.
Alright guys, so
everything is all connected. We got these 3 bolts on, the 2 hoses connected, and then up here you have 1 big bolt that gets pinned. So now I just got to drop this and hop inside and make sure it all works. Alright guys, so the plow is all set up. I will show you inside how this works real quick while I park it. But basically, turn your truck on. Our hydraulic pump is hooked. Our hydraulic pump is hooked up to number 3 there. And then you just have these buttons. One does the front, the other one does the back, and it comes all the way up. In snow world, we call it your wing, or your heel and your toe for your wing. So heel is, well actually these are backwards. That's your toe. This is your heel. So this, either the switches are backwards or the paper's backwards. So whichever way you want to look at it, something's backwards. But as long as you know what you're doing, then it doesn't really matter. But oh, I got cars coming. So I'll do my outro here. That pretty much wraps it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments about this truck, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.